guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how we go from this to this. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to do my fluffy twist out when my hair is freshly blow dried. My hair is freshly trimmed, so it is looking a little bit shorter this week, which is fine because it was a desperate need of a trim. My hair was going on 6 months with no trim, which is just crazy. About ½ an inch was taken off all around, but it's cool. She will grow back. Healthy hair journey, period. We don't want long, scraggly hair. We want healthy, luscious hair. Health and length just kind of like coincide. If your hair is healthy, your hair will grow. If you are a returning viewer, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button, sis. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell so you guys are notified as soon as I drop a video. Also, welcome to my new subscribers. Okay, welcome, girl. Welcome. Stay a while. Bring a friend. Take a seat. And yeah, enjoy. If you guys want to see how I do my fluffy twist out, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off on some freshly blow dried hair. And I'm taking this hair tie and I'm sectioning my hair off. Just getting my hair ready to be twisted. So now I'm just putting the top half of my hair into a bun. All right, and this is what the section in the back is looking like. As you can see, it is extremely uneven. Girl, don't worry about it. I promise you it's not gonna matter when you unravel them twists, okay? Right, so now I'm parting my hair into about a medium, I would say medium large section, and then clipping the rest of my hair away. And I'm just going to detangle that section with a comb. All right, and now I'm going to be spraying some water into my hands, just slightly misting my hands, just to get my hair a little bit damp and ready to receive the products. All right, I'll be adding my Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and I'll be adding that to my hair strands, working from the ends of my hair all the way to the roots. Now I'll be adding my homemade Ayurvedic oil mixture, anywhere between 2 to 4 drops in my hands, rubbing it in my hands and then smoothing it through my hair. But I'm mostly focused on the ends of my hair because that's the oldest part of your hair. And lastly, honey curl forming custard by Design Essentials as well. It's like a jelly-like texture. This will add definition and a light hold to the twist out. All right, and now I'm just twisting the section. Okay, so once I get to the very ends of the twist, I just add a little bit more of the curling custard, and then I wrap the ends of the twist around itself, so it kind of looks like that. All right, so I'll show you guys what I mean by that in another example. Just rubbing the water through into my hair, adding my Design Essentials Moisturizing Lotion. Okay, rubbing that through, making sure every strand is completely coated. Next, I'll be adding my Ayurvedic oil mixture. I'd say anywhere between 2 to 4 drops. Not too much, guys, because you don't want it to weigh down your hair. And then lastly, the custard. Alright, so now I'm just twisting the section, and once I get to the very end, I'll show you guys in slow motion. So I wrap the twist around my fingers a couple of times just to get a curl at the very end going, and then I wrap the twist around itself, kind of like that. Kind of hard to explain, but I hope you're able to understand through this video. Alright guys, and I just continuously repeat that over and over again until all my hair is done, but I'm going to show you one last example.
So I'm just detangling that section with my comb. Also guys, I don't detangle every single section with a comb. It's just some parts of my hair is tangled, some parts are not. So I only detangle whatever's tangled. All right, so once that's done, I spray my hands with some water and then rub that through. Add my Design Essentials Moisturizing Lotion. And then smooth that through the ends of my hair and then working all the way to the top. Add my Ayurvedic oil mixture. Okay, and then the custard for definition and hold. Right, so now I'm just twisting the section. And then once I get to the very end, I wrap the twist around itself. All right, so this is what it looks like. And I just keep repeating that over and over again until my head top is done. Alright guys, so this is what the twists are looking like. Nice and juicy and plump. So all I did was put a bonnet on and go to bed, and now this is the next morning and my twists are looking jacked to the up. I don't know what the heck happened while I was asleep, but this is what your girl's looking like. Okay, I'll be grabbing the Jane Carter's Curls to Go Shine On Elixir. I really like this oil mist. It's very light. It smells extremely good. It smells like something fruity and just delectable. Okay, and then it also makes my hair really shiny. When I'm taking down my twists, there is no special way of doing this. I just unravel from the bottom all the way to the top, and then I rub my hands against the strands of my hair to see where it naturally wants to separate. And I continuously do that over and over again until all of the twists are unraveled. I'm just going to add a little bit more volume, so I'll be taking this pick and just picking my hair out. Not too much though, because then you'll create a whole bunch of frizz. But anyway, so this is what my hair is looking like. Period poo. Okay, we looking so cute. Okay, hooty hoo, how you do? This is the end of the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know. Also, let me know if you follow this tutorial, how did it work out for you? Okay, and I will see you guys in the next one.